In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide markups in Bluebeam. If you've ever opened a PDF that's crowded with comments, callouts, clouds, or measurements, you know how distracting that can be when you just want to focus on the underlying content. The great news is you can hide what you don't need without deleting anything and bring it back whenever you're ready. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once the file is up, look toward the bottom of the interface for the Markups list. This panel is where every annotation in the document is catalogued, including its type, author, status, and layer. It's the ideal place to control what you see on the page because it gives you precise, organized visibility over your markups. Inside the Markups list, find the filter icon. It looks like a small funnel and sits along the toolbar at the top of the list. Click it to open your filtering options. Think of this as your control panel for quickly turning certain markups on or off without affecting the document itself. From here, you have two straightforward ways to hide what you don't want to see. First, you can simply deselect the markup types you want to hide. For example, if you're reviewing measurements but don't need to see text notes or highlights, uncheck those categories. Those markups will disappear from the page view, letting you focus on what matters. Alternatively, use the status, layer, or author filters to narrow things down. Status is perfect if you only want to hide items that are complete or for review. Layer is great when your markups are organized into design or discipline layers and you want to hide a whole group at once. Author is ideal when you need to temporarily hide markups from a specific contributor. Choose the filter that best matches your workflow and apply it with a click. As soon as you apply your choices, the selected markups are hidden on the PDF. They're not deleted, flattened, or altered. They're simply out of view. This makes it easy to present, print, or review without visual clutter. When you're done, you can reselect those items or clear your filters to bring everything back into view. That's all it takes to hide markups in Bluebeam. Open your PDF, go to the markups list at the bottom, click the funnel-shaped filter icon, and use deselection or the status, layer, or author filters to hide exactly what you don't need right now. It's fast, reversible, and keeps your document clean and focused.